Why do Kit Kat and Coca-Cola stick in your mind while other brands disappear? It's not accident, it's neuroscience. Phonological loop optimization is a technique where you design brand names and slogans that occupy working memory's auditory rehearsal system. The core principle is to design brand names and slogans that work with your brain's natural auditory rehearsal system, the phonological loop. This 2-second internal echo chamber converts what we see into sounds we unconsciously repeat, making certain brands unforgettable while others fade away. Key strategies are: use rhythmic patterns that match natural speech, like "just do it." Keep it under 7 phonetic chunks to avoid cognitive overload. Employ alliteration and repetition. Examples are Kit Kat, Coca-Cola. Align sounds with brand meaning. Sharp sounds for fast products, warm sounds for comfort brands. Test pronunciation ease across target languages. Why does it work? Brands that optimize for the phonological loop get rehearsed automatically in customers' minds, creating stronger memory traces and better recall during purchase decisions. Your phonological loop is constantly converting what you see into sounds you silently repeat. Smart marketers design for this invisible rehearsal system. Next time you can't get a brand out of your head, thank your phonological loop. The science is clear. In the symphony of consumer cognition, phonological optimization provides the melody that makes brands unforgettable.